In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Yahoo Mail account. Keeping your email account secure is vital in protecting your personal information and maintaining your online privacy. So let's dive right into some actionable steps you can take to enhance your Yahoo Mail security. Firstly, enabling two-step verification is highly recommended. What does this mean for you? Well, with two-step verification enabled, every time you try to log in from a new device or browser, you'll be prompted to enter a code in addition to your password. This extra layer of security ensures that even if someone else gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without that additional code. Speaking of passwords, it's crucial to choose a strong, unique password for your account and change it regularly. A robust password acts as your account's first line of defense against unauthorized access. Make sure it's complex, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or easily accessible information like your birth date to keep things secure. But remember, securing your account is not only about the tools you use, but also your habits online. Always practice safe online behaviors. This includes steering clear of malicious software. Being wary about the apps and files you download can prevent malware from compromising your security. When using public computers, never forget to sign out of your accounts. This simple action ensures that no one can snoop through your information after you leave. Additionally, be cautious of phishing scams. Avoid clicking on suspicious links, even if they appear to come from friends or known contacts. Periodically checking your account's login activity is another good practice. By doing so, you can quickly spot any unusual or unauthorized sign-ins and take swift action if necessary. Also, if you haven't done this yet, remove any old security questions from your profile as Yahoo no longer uses them. Keeping your recovery information up to date and secure is also important. Double-check that your recovery email address and phone number are current and secure. If you're using a recovery email from another provider, it's wise to review their security settings too. Lastly, be wary of any recovery methods linked to your account that you don't recognize. If someone else has added a recovery email or phone number you don't know, you can remove it by accessing the Member Center. Yahoo sends a verification email when a new recovery method is added, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure to click Remove next to any suspicious recovery methods. Also, if you've recently changed your account password, it's a good idea to delete any app passwords you don't recognize. This helps ensure that any previous app connections unauthorized users may have had are severed, further securing your account. By following these steps and being mindful of your online behavior, you can significantly enhance the security of your Yahoo Mail account and better safeguard your personal information. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.